ka-JV, saro ang sayang pangaran sa binibisto pag-abot sa tibay kang pagganta. Mga musikang nagahalis sa sayang puso ang ipinapaabot niya sa mga Bicolano. Ibahanin do ako sa sarong banggining sonata, kaibahan si Mr. Nonoy Zuniga. Ang pangaran na Nonoy Zuniga, saro sa mga icons pag-abot sa music industry. Siya man ang inaapod na quintessential singer. Kung pagganta man sana ang pag-uulayan, dakul naman na nakuang onra si Nonoy Zuniga. Nagkapira sa sayang mga awards, iyon Aliw Awards Foundation Most Promising Entertainer kang 1981 and 1982 Entertainer of the Year. Chaman and Awit Awards Best Male Vocal Performer kang 1991 and 1998 Katha Awards Most Outstanding Recording Artist. Sulit na sulit man ang banggi kan mga nagdalan, hinhulit na nag-enjoy man talaga ang audience sa mga performances ni Mr. Nonoy Zuniga.
When the world is cold, I will feel the glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight.
Our very own Bicolano artists na sina Nini Lasin and Nino Perez na ipahiling manan sa indang talento sa pagganta ni mga magagayo na sonata. Para sa sainda, ang musika asin sonata naging dakulang parte na kan sa indang buhay.
I just want to let you know that if you have that dream, just go with that dream. Never give up.
Well, for one, you have to know what really is your passion. And then once you have found out already, then that's the time that you have to start pursuing it. Because I believe that by chasing our dreams, that's the only way we could attain fulfillment in this life.
All-time favorites man ang nagkapira sa mga kanta ni Mr. Nonoy Zuniga. Iyo siring kang Doon Lang, Kumusta Ka, and Never Ever Say Goodbye.
Kaya kong ipunin lahat ng tunay, kaya kong itapos ang hangin. Tunay
Iniman sa iyang mensahe sa mga aspiring singers as in sa mga Bicolanong artists.
Keyword there is practice, practice, practice every day. You allot a time every day, like 2 hours a day. You just sing whatever song you like, and that's vocalization already. You study the song, and things like that, and surely you'll have that. Your talent will be honed. You'll develop that skill to sing. Okay, is to sing in your heart with passion. So keep on practicing, learn new songs, learn your style, discover your style, and most of all, be humble.
In behalf of One Press Production, I would like to thank all the Bicolano artists kasi kumbaga sinuportan ito ni Nonoy na para kahit papano meron tayong sariling atin na mga well-talented artists.
Our souls are so entwined. There is us, not you and I. Our friends will soon regretting we once met, because we'll show them all with love. We can walk on, and we will never say goodbye. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again. God bless you all. God bless us all. Salamat po.
Mga kamags, di naman po talaga kita mapapuri sa tibay sa pagganta. Mabalik pa po ang programang Bilib sa Talento kang Bicolano, Mag TV na, Oragon!